Hi guys, if you love to see how I achieve this lovely micro twist as a micro locks, keep watching, do not skip. Welcome back to my channel once again, my beautiful people, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, that means you're new here. Please don't forget to hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, this is my client's hair. As you can see, she has a very full hair and the hair is washed already and moisturized with cream. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial. First thing, you need to section the hair. That's what I'm doing here, guys. So I'll be sectioning the hair into 3 portions. So this is the easiest way for you guys to achieve these locks. So you need to watch it carefully. Watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any single step of doing this lovely braid. Can you see, guys? So when you section one at the front, as you can see, you section it from ear to other ear, then you secure the one at the back. Then what I'm trying to do here, I'm sectioning that front part. I'm trying to divide it into 2 parts, equal parts. Can you see, guys? So make sure it's equal. Can you see? You come to the front and make sure you part it towards the forehead. That's how you know if the hair is equal or not. So after that, I try to secure one, then I begin to work on the other side. So now this is what I sectioned out of the front parts, and I have 6 portions. Can you see, guys? 6 portions out of the one I sectioned at the front. So this is the outcome of it. So now I'm going to the back to section the back as well. Make sure you comb it to make it fluffy. Then you begin to section it. The whole hair, you are sectioning it into 3 parts before you start giving it into individual portion. Can you see, guys? This is the one at the back I'm trying to section. So I sectioned the one at the back into 3. So this one at the middle is more than the one at the front and the back. So what you are going to do here, the side of the one at the middle, you section it just the way I'm doing it. You section the other side. After that, you divide the middle into 2 equal parts as well. Can you see? Because it's too big, so you divide it into 2 equal parts. After dividing it, then you cut it into 2. That means from this part, the middle one is 6, the back is 3, while the front is 6 as well. So I have 15 portions here. So guys, let's go and let's start working on the portions. As you can see, the portions here is 15. So I have 6 portions here. Can you see, guys? So now let's work on the portions. So you bring out the first one, you comb it with your wide comb, then you use your tail comb, the smaller comb, just to make it fluffy. You comb it well. Can you see, guys? So in this process, I'm not using any gel, but if you wish, you can use shine and jam. This is the hair I'll be using. This is 1 pack. This one is 1,000 naira, and I'll be using 4 packs because the hair is tiny. And as you can see, my client's hair is very full. So now guys, these are the one I've done off camera. So this is how I achieve the one I have done so far. You just bring out one portion that you want to braid, then you begin to section it. Can you see? You section it, then you begin to braid it. This is how you do the hair. This is the process you apply to the whole hair round. Can you see, guys? It's just something you need to pay attention on. Then you begin to attach the extension. You can actually do it naturally without any extension, but this particular one, my client wants something should be able to carry for long. As it is, you can carry these locks for like 3 months or more. Is washable and it's very light. It's not heavy like attachments. Like this one is very light. It's very light, as you can see. So that's how you keep going. Can you see? You twist it. You need to braid it from the root, then you begin to do 2-strand twist. You tie it very well, like you twist it very well. Don't make it too tight, so just twist it, don't make it too tight. So now when you get to the tips, you just use your hand to coil it. If you wish, you can use rollers to coil it later, but what I actually do to this part, each portions, after braiding it, I try to do it knot, like a bantu knot. So after like 10-15 minutes, I bring it out, so it gives me coils that I want. And you see, guys, so if you wish, you can do it, and you can also use rollers as well. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys love this tutorial, and if you guys enjoy watching, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Can you see, guys? This is how everything looks like there's no any side that is big, everything is tiny, they are all equal. Can you see? And this braid took me 6 hours, like 6 hours. So if you don't like sitting long, this braid is not for you. So when you are done, guys, you go ahead and you trim the hair. After trimming it, you apply your mousse, then you use your hand to lock it very well. That's what I'm doing here. Can you see, guys? Make sure you lock it well, and if you see any part that is not trimmed, just trim it off. And that's all about this lovely tutorial, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love it, and please share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So this particular one, you can style it anyhow: center parts, side parts, all back. You can actually session it anyhow you want it, and it will still come out well. Can you see, guys? But this one, my client wants it center, like side parts, and that's what I'm doing. So this is the final look of the braid, guys. Wow, can you see? It's looking beautiful, and the color is color 30. The color of the extension that we use is color 30. Can you see, guys? Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you here. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. I love seeing your comments. Thank you, guys. Can you see? My clients actually love this hair. She really loved the hair. So thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.